Okay, Shelby. Today we are trying the Yakisoba barbecue Korean noodles. I messed up and I accidentally stopped the first video where I was like making the noodles, and I already mostly prepared them. This might be a part 2. I might post the first part just so that you have both parts. In fact, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So this is part 2. Now the noodles are prepared. Close this. I have to add the flavor packet, the next flavor packet, this guy right here, in. I will do that and then I will report back. Okay, these are the noodles fully prepared. Now it's time to munch them. Okay, it's time to try them. They smell delightful. They smell really good. They smell, you know what's funny? They kind of smell like the soy sauce ramen noodles, not gonna lie. But there's only one way to find out how they taste, and that's to taste them. Are you ready? Get a nice, good old stringy bean there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. That's good. It's tasty. It's like the soy sauce ramen noodles, but with a sweet side onto it, because it's like Korean barbecue kind of thing. Really good. If I can get past the fact that there are veggies that I would like to eat and not eat, the taste is phenomenal. I like it a lot. One more bite and then I'll give you my rating. Yeah. All right. Here's my rating. The overall rating is a 8.7 out of 10. These are some good ramen noodles. My surprise factor is going to be a 2. Actually, no. We're going to go a 1.8 because the packaging was pretty surprising, but the taste tastes like soy sauce ramen noodles, but a little sweeter. Like, it still tastes like something I've had before. So that's my thoughts on that. 8.7 out of 10. 1.7 out of 3 stars.